welcome to the another video of water technology. This is Dr. C. Sonia, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Now let's go to the topic boiler feed water. Okay, so we were seeing about the hardness in the previous video. Now we are going to see about the boiler feed water. What is boiler feed water? Water that is fed into the boiler for production of steam is called the boiler fed water. Okay, so boiler feed water, what happens over there? If suppose large amount of dissolved substance is present inside the boiler, when it is going on evaporating for producing steam, at one stage the water becomes concentrated with the salt that is present over there. In that case, the concentrated salts present over there, it causes problem to the boiler. Okay, so there are different types of problems that is caused in the boilers due to the presence of dissolved salts in it. That is, one is the scale and the sludge formation, 2 boiler erosion, 3 caustic embrittlement, and 4 trimming and foaming. Okay, now let's see about scale and sludge formation. Okay, let's see what is a sludge and a scale with this simple diagram. Let us imagine this is the cross section of the boiler, this is the wall of the boiler, and you have water inside the boiler, and you have in this diagram you have the sludge, and in this diagram this is the scale. Okay, so when the boiler water it is heated continuously, what will happen? In the first part the sludge is formed. So this sludge is nothing but it is a soft, loose and slimy part that is formed inside the boiler. These sludge that is formed in the boiler, it is dissolved in the hot water. So most of the sludges that is formed in the boiler is in the coldest part of the boiler. So when the water, water is flushed continuously, or it can be removed by when the water gets concentrated in the salt, it can be removed, and you can add fresh water to remove the sludge. Or it can be removed by brush down operation. You can just scrap it using a brush and you can remove the sludge that is formed, because it is loosely formed particles. And in the case of scale, it is very thick, hard and adhesive formed in the inner wall of the boiler. It cannot be just removed like that of the sludge. The water has to undergo various treatment to remove the scale from the boiler. Scales are formed due to the following reactions. That is, one is decomposition of calcium bicarbonate, formation of calcium sulfate precipitate, 3 is hydrolysis of magnesium salt, 4 is presence of small quantity of silicon oxide. So these scales, they are very dangerous to the boilers, because scale has the base go, the scales get deposited in the walls of the boiler. When the scales become very large and due to uneven crack that is produced in the boiler, what will happen is the heat from the boiler walls suddenly start hitting the water